Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you a Dollar Tree test review of the products that I bought in the last month from the Dollar Tree. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first I want to start with this Collagen Global Beauty Care. It's for all skin types. And what it is, it's cleaning cloths. And they're about the size of this, and they really do work. I've been using these for about a year now, and I really do like them, just like the name, the big pricier name brand stuff. I could say I actually like it just the same. And the next I have here is from Global Beauty Care. It's a Lift and Firm eye cream, and I use it all through here and going up around my crow's feet. And in the month that I've been using this, I can actually say I've seen my fine lines getting smaller. And then this is a peel off foil mask. It's 3 masks. And you can get, one of these has the blue packet here in front, and then a red one and a silver behind it. And then there's another one with the red in front, but it's got the blue and the silver one in it. So if you buy this one or the other one, you're buying the same thing. But I can say I like the blue one. And the, no, wait a minute, I like the silver one, and I like the blue one, but not as much as the silver one. I could tell after using this for about 3 weeks, one time a week, I can tell a difference in the toning and firmness of my skin. And then there's this one that's a pack of 2. It's from Global Beauty Care Collagen Spa Treatment Mask. It's an anti-aging serum. It's soothing 15-minute facial therapy. It minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to firm, tone, and revive skin electricity. I can't say that word. Okay, but this is the type of mask it is. You just put it unfold it, put it over your whole face, and make sure you touch it to it, and leave it on for 15 minutes and do it once a week. And I did it for 4 weeks, and I had some lines right through here, and I can tell that they're not as visual. You can't see them as bad as you used to. And it also helps with the other one that I just showed you. That's for fine lines. So with these two together, I think it's really helping the wrinkles that I have. And then there's this, it's a makeup brunch cleanser, and you just put your fingers in this, and you get you some soap, the cleaning soap for brushes, makeup brushes, and run it over the water and just brush it like this. And this really works, and it's very flexible, and they have different colors, I believe, pink and purple. And then this is the Global Beauty Care Pink Sugar Lip Scrub. And I've noticed a difference. My lips are softer and getting a little more, the tone of it is better right through here around it. I don't see those wrinkles as bad. And this is what it looks like. But you don't use that much. You just use about, let me show you, because if not, it'll get all in your mouth, and you don't want that. It tastes nasty. But you just put about that much on for top and bottom lip. And you can even go a little less. And it comes with this little applicator too. And then this one is from Global, what is the name of that? Global Beauty Care. It's a multivitamin moisturizing what does that say? Anyway, it's a lotion, and you can like put this on and then let it dry for a few minutes after putting it on your face, and then put your makeup on right over it. And I like it. It makes your skin still feel real soft, and there's no oiliness to it. Now this Nivea Intensive Care Body Lotion, it's moisturizing dry skin. I like it, but I like it on my legs and my feet, but I don't like it on my hands because it's kind of, let me get some out here and I'll show you. It's not as thick as, see how runny it is? See it running? It's not as thick as the lotions that I'm used to using. And then there's this small lotion that I got. It's Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Body Lotion. Now I like this one, and it smells like coconut. And I like this one because it makes my hands feel real soft, and I put it on where I've got dry skin right here on my elbows, and after about four times using it, and I used it like twice a day, I could start telling the difference in the dry areas of my skin. Okay, that's it in the health and beauty. Now the rest is makeup. So this is Broadway Color Correcting Face Primer, and I can tell you it's real. Let me see if I can get some up here. It's kind of tinted, and it goes on real smooth, no oily, and I don't believe there's a smell. No, it smells kind of like lotion. And I really like this. Broadway is a real good popular brand, or so I'm told. And I can say I really recommend that. And then here's the, it's called BYS Contour Trio. You've got your blush, highlight, and contour there. Now I like everything but the contour. I don't know if it's because I'm trying to get it open. I don't know if, see how dark it is? And it's just, I think it's too dark for my skin tone. But I love the blush. There's the blush. Let me just get a little more. That finger right there. And then this finger will be the highlighter. And this is the highlighter, but I'm just kind of getting the real loose off, and that's the highlighter right there. And I can say I like those, but the only one I don't is the contour. And this is Broadway Colors Eyebrow Kit. And it comes with a little brush and a little brush and an applicator right here so you can put it on. And it's got medium brown and dark brown. And I really like these, as long as I don't put this on, because that makes it too oily. See how oily that is? It's the only thing I don't like about that one. Now I'm wearing the this color, and No, I'm wearing this color, and this color. And I don't know, I put it on earlier today, but that's what it looks like. And there's this brush. You can't beat that for $1. It's real, it expands out, it's real fluffy. Now this is Maybelline New York Snap Mascara, and it's a mascara, and it's black, and it goes on real good, and I really like this. And this is the one, this Broadway Colors Matte Lip Lacquer. This is the color that I've been wearing here lately. Can't believe it come from the Dollar Tree just for $1. Now I like that. Now this one, the it's Wet n Wild, and it's mauve. Now I don't recommend this, the Wet n Wild mauve. It doesn't stay on. It unless you get 12-hour wear or something like that, none of them stays on. But I mean, it doesn't go on thick. It's real thin, and I just don't recommend that one. Now this is this color right here, and this is by Elf. Elf right there. And it has its own little sharpener. Now I like this one, it stays on. And I have only 3 more items here. Now, the Sassy and Cheek BB Beauty Benefit Cream Dark 1 Multi-Action Skincare and Makeup. Now, I like this one. This is the one I wear mostly a lot since I bought this one. And I'm going to have to find me another one, but they haven't had any. I'm about down to right there now. But I recommend this. And this is LA Conceal It. And all you do is you squeeze up, and it comes on this, and then you put it under your eye and up by your nose and down to about right here. And I can really say this is the right shade. This it goes on, and it's not thin or runny. It's kind of thick, and it blends in real good. And then there's this Contour Artist Powder. If I can get it open. This is the last one. And all but this one, because it's a bit dark for me. I like all 3 of these. Alright, well that's it for my Dollar Tree product review. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure you hit that bell right next to the subscribe. That way you won't miss any future videos, or my DIY videos, or my haul videos. And leave a comment. I really would like to know your opinion on which one you think you might be buying because of the review. And or if you've already tested the product, let me know your opinion, what you thought of it. Alright, I hope y'all have a happy day. Bye.